Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here at the National in Ave Maria. This is the Arbor floor plan, part of the terrace line of condos that you're going to find here with golf membership included. Let's run inside and take a look. So the Arbor here is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit, just under 1,200 square foot. And when we come into the unit, you've got the kitchen directly here to the right. You've got a full stainless appliance package here. Everything's nice and open. And then you've got this island right here, big enough for a few seats. And this all overlooks your living room space. Now to the left of the kitchen, this is where your guest bedroom is gonna be. So here's guest bedroom number 1. And then you've got the bifold closet doors there. Then cutting across, we come into the guest bath with the singular sink, the commode. Here you have a combination tub and shower. And then directly across from that, you have the laundry space here, big enough for a full-size washer and dryer and some additional storage room right above that. Now coming back out to the main area here. Nice open space again. And this leads us to the master bedroom here. So really nice size master bedroom, plenty big enough for a king-size bed. You've got 2 closets here, the his and hers type setup. And then right over here is the master bath with the singular sink, the commode. You do have a linen closet, and then directly behind me here you have the standalone shower, which does extend back further that way. Well, last but not least here, folks, is the views from this unit. These are some tremendous views out of the back of your home here. Huge lake view. You've got the golf course on the left and on the right. That is a tremendous view there, folks. So if you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.